Good day, everyone. I am Michelle May Igone, and today we will explore two innovative teaching strategies in mathematics, which is first one, instructional games, and the second is computer aided instruction. Traditional math lessons can sometimes feel difficult for students, leading to disengagement. However, by incorporating games and technology, we can create an interactive and enjoyable learning environment. Our goal for today is to understand how these approaches works, their benefits, and how we can apply them effectively in the classroom. Let's begin with instructional games. So these are the structured learning activities that incorporate elements of play such as rules, competition, and rewards to make learning engaging and interactive. Unlike traditional methods that rely on direct instruction, instructional games encourage active participation where students learn by doing rather than just listening. There are some key characteristics of instructional games, and that includes first, fun and interactive. So games create a lively classroom atmosphere that keeps students focused. Then second, it encourages problem solving and critical thinking. Games often require players to strategize, analyze, and apply concepts. It can also promote teamwork and collaboration. So many games involve group participation, helping students develop social and communication skills. So now let's move on to the classroom implementation of instructional games. So how we do integrate instructional games into our math lessons? Okay, so here are some effective ways. So for example, escape room math challenge. So this is where students must solve math problems to unlock the next stage or escape from a scenario. So this format keeps students engaged as they work under pressure to solve equations, logical puzzles, or word problems. Also, dice or card games for probability and operations. Probability games using dice help students understand concepts like chances and randomness. Card games also can reinforce operations like addition, multiplication, or fractions in a competitive yet fun manner. So these activities make abstract concepts more concrete as students learn math through hands-on experiences. So there are also benefits in incorporating instructional games in our lesson. So, so let's discuss the first one. So first, it increases engagement and motivation. Games naturally capture students' attention and make them eager to participate. The second one, it encourages teamwork and healthy competition. So collaborative games promote cooperation, while competitive ones drive students to improve their skills. Also, it develops strategic thinking and decision making. Many math games require students to plan moves ahead and think critically. However, there are also challenges to consider. So the first one is excessive competition. So some students may become overly competitive, leading to stress or frustration. So if it not managed well, students may focus more on winning than on learning. And the second one is game selection is crucial. So not all games align with learning objectives. So teachers must carefully choose activities that reinforce math skills. So now let's move on to the reflection. So instructional games are particularly helpful for struggling students because they make math less intimidating. Instead of seeing math as a set of rules and formulas, students experience it as an enjoyable and rewarding challenge. So this approach not only builds confidence but also strengthens problem-solving skills in a natural and engaging way. So when we implement it correctly, instructional games turn learning into a positive experience that benefits all students. So next, let's talk about computer aided instruction. So, this teaching method involves using computers, apps, and digital tools to deliver lessons, providing practice exercises, and assess students' progress. With technology becoming more integrated into education, computer aided instruction offers a modern way to teach mathematics that caters to different learning styles. So, here are some key characteristics of computer aided instruction, and it includes interactive and multimedia based. So, lessons can include videos, simulations, and interactive exercises that engage students. The next one is personalized learning paths. Students can progress at their own pace, focusing more on areas where they need improvement. Next is supports differentiated learning. So teachers can customize content to match different students' abilities, making learning more interactive. So, how can we incorporate or how can we use computer aided instruction in math lessons? So, here are some effective applications. So, as I said earlier, video based learning. Students watch math tutorials or animated explanations that simplify complex concepts. So, these videos allow students to revisit lessons as needed, improving their retention. So, the next one is augmented reality math apps. So, augmented reality technology brings math concepts to life by displaying 3D models of geometric shapes or equations. So, this helps students visualize abstract ideas, making learning more interactive and immersive. So, these tools help students grasp difficult concepts more easily by providing visuals and interactive representations. So, why is computer aided instruction effective? So, here are some benefits. So, it engages students through animations and simulations. So, complex topics more easier to understand with visual aids. And it allows self-paced learning and progress tracking. So, students can learn at their own speed and receive instant feedback. And the next one is it enhances technology skills. So students become more comfortable using digital tools, preparing them for a tech driven world. However, there are also some challenges. So the first one is it requires access to technology and internet. It become a challenge. It is because not all students have equal access to digital resources, which may create learning gaps. And the next one is it may lead to passive learning. So some students might watch videos without actively engaging, leading to lower retention. But despite these challenges, computer aided instruction remains a powerful tool when we use it correctly and in combination with traditional teaching strategies. And now let's proceed to reflection. So, one of the biggest advantages of computer aided instruction is that it promotes students' autonomy. Learners take control of their own progress, which builds independence and self discipline. Additionally, as technology continues to evolve, digital literacy is become an essential tool or skills for future career. So, by incorporating computer aided instruction into math instruction, teachers can bridge the gap between abstract mathematical concepts and real world applications, that making learning more effective and relevant. So, in conclusion, to summarize both instructional games and computer aided instruction, it offers engaging and effective ways to teach mathematics. Instructional games turn math into a fun and interactive experience, while computer aided instruction enhances understanding through digital tools and personalized learning. So, the key to successful implementation is balance, using games and technology strategically while maintaining focus on learning objectives. So, by doing so, we can create a classroom environment that is both enjoyable and effective. Okay, so thank you for your time and attention. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.